Okay, when you need a water filter, just like backwash filter, you just if you have pressure, working pressure, so you please provide working pressure, and also if you have special material, just if you need seawater, you should choose stainless 304 or 316 is important. And also, if you have requirements about precision, just like 20 micro or 50 micro, so it's decided. Micro is decided of filter elements, so it's important. So why we also ask the working pressure is decided the thickness of the housing, and also if you have special requirements of material, so you please inform us. So it's very important. It's important to or material of housing. Usually we use carbon button for housing or stainless 304 or 316 is important to choose which filter is fit for you and which filter housing is fit for you. So also when we design this filter housing, we design a control box. This control box is automatic control box. So when the filter is working, you just do not need any menu. It just depends on control automatic control box to decide it when the filter will be washed and when the drip will be come out to flow into the outside. So how the filter working, we designed a visual window just like this. This visual window is we can see from here to know how the water filter is working and how the filter elements is working. And this is our filter housing, and this is our backwash filter housing. So maybe you have many questions, so please contact us so we can introduce many details and information to you about our backwash filter housing.